I'm about to show you three things. One is how to add a photo like this to your video. If you're recording a video and you're saying something and you want the text and you want the image or the photo to pop up, I'm going to show you how to do that. Next, I'm going to show you how you can add your logo to your video so that people can know that this is your brand through your brand logo. And thirdly, I'm going to show you how you can add a watermark to your video, just like this, so that people don't take your videos and use it as theirs. And I'm going to show you how to do all of this using CapCut. Hi, my name is Amaka Zabikwa. I'm a video editor, a content creator, and a social media manager. And I put out videos that will help you create better content. Let's dive in. I am in my CapCut app right now. I'll click on new project. Then I'll select the video that I want to add my photo to. I'll click on this video and I'll click on add. So this is my CapCut timeline, and you see this white line right here. That's what you're going to use to know the exact place you want to add your photo to. Okay, so once we go to where you want to add your photo to, you click on, just look down, you will see overlay, click on overlay, click on add overlay, and then you go to photos. If what you want to add to your video is a photo, you go to photos and then just get the video that you want to add. If this is what I want to add, I'll click on it and click on add. So it's in my video, but you can see that it's blocking, it's covering my face. If you don't want it like that, you can either choose to increase it to like really cover everywhere if that's what you want, or you can also use your two fingers to reduce it and just keep it, somewhere. Just make sure that it's the right size for what you want. All right, so this is how you can add your photo to your video, and then you can also increase the length by dragging it. Make sure that you tap on it, and then once you see this white outline, you just either drag it to increase the length, or you can drag it down to trim it and reduce the length. This is how you can add your photo to your video using CapCut. Next, I'm going to show you how to add your logo to your video. And to do that, if you want it to be from the beginning of your video to the end of your video, just make sure that your playhead is at the beginning of your video. You can see it right here. Then I'm going to click on overlay again, click on add overlay, and I'm already in photos, so I'll click on my logo. For example, that is my logo, and you can see that I have added my logo, but we're not going to leave it like this. We don't want the background. So this is perfect, this is perfect for logos with a black background. So if you want to do this, make sure that your logo is in a black background. So use your two fingers to reduce it and keep it where you want it to be on the screen. Then you tap on it. It's already highlighted. I'm just going to tap on it and drag it because I want it to be throughout my video. So if you want that, just tap on it. You can see that my logo is throughout my video. So we're going to remove that black background, and I'm going to show you how. I'll click on splice right here, and then you can see the different splices that we have. Just try out all of them to know which one is perfect. So I'll click on filter. This is good. You can see that it has removed the black background. If I click on darken, it doesn't really remove it, so I don't want that. Just this is how they are. Even lighting also removes it. So we're just going to use filter, and I'll click on the check icon. So I have added my logo to my video, and it's from the beginning to the end of my video. This is how you can add your logo to your video. Make sure, like I said, make sure that it comes in a black background. But if it comes in a different colored background, you can either use Canva to remove the background, or you can go to www.removebg.com and follow the prompt and remove the background. This is super easy. Next, I'm going to show you how you can add your watermark to your video. I will click on text right here, and then I'm going to add the text. So for example, let's say it's mine. I'm just going to add my name. So this can be your business name, Amaka Ezabekwa. I'll reduce it. You can choose to increase it or reduce it, and just leave it anywhere you want it on the screen. I'll leave mine here. Then I will go to animation. You go to style and just make it your brand font and everything. And then I will go to animation, click on animation. Then I will click on loop. You see we have in, out, and loop. I'll click on loop. So there are lots of loops that we can choose from. If you're using the free CapCut, you can just use any of the free loops. You can also use Flickr, this, and just have that throughout your video. But I'm going to choose rotate.
I'm going to show you how you can add.
I will just
I'm going
add
to
it,
show you how you can add
to
your
the,
like and
I'm going
subscribe.
to,
So
you can either leave it fast by dragging this to 0.1. It's going to be rotating very fast, or you can drag it to slow.
I'm going to show you how you can add your like and
rotating
subscribe.
slow. If you want this to be throughout your video, just come back to your text right here, tap on it to have this highlight on it, and then drag it to the end of your video. Another way is, once you tap on it, you can just scroll through these icons below and tap on lasting text. Tap on it and it's going to make sure that the text is throughout your video. So this is it. It's going to be rotating throughout your video. The last thing I'm going to do is I will tap on my text, go to styles, then I will search for opacity. You can see opacity right here, and it's just going to reduce the transparency. I don't want it too bright. Make sure it's your brand color or whatever color you want. You can change that here. So if you want it black, I'll just leave it at black. Then reduce the opacity. Don't reduce it too much so that the entire text is not invisible. Just reduce it enough. I'll leave it at 50%, and I'll click on the check icon. So here's how it's going to be in my video. I'm going to mute it so the audio doesn't disturb you. So it's going to keep rotating like this throughout your video. So there are other animations that you can use. If you don't want the rotating, there are other free animations that you can use for your watermark. So this is how you can add your photo, your logo, or your watermark to your video. Let me know if you found this video helpful. If you want me to show you how to do this using InShot, let me know in the comment section, and let me know if you'll be trying this. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to more people. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.